Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 16th November 2024. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father has come to teach you spiritual art. Through this art you go beyond the sun and the moon to the land of peace. Question. What is the difference between those who are proud of their science and those who are proud of their silence? Answer. Those who are proud of their science spend so much money on going to the moon and the stars. They risk their bodies and are afraid that their rocket may fail. You children, who are proud of your silence, go beyond the moon and the stars into the supreme region without spending a penny. You have no fear because you leave your bodies here and go. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Learn the art of silence from the Father and go beyond this limited world into the unlimited world. By giving us this wonderful knowledge, the Father gives us such a great prize, and so there should be the intoxication of that. Number 2. You have to do service fearlessly in a very sweet way. Be powerful in your war with Maya and gain victory over her. Listen to the Murli and remain alert and inspire others to remain alert. Blessing for today. May you become a completely pure and clean soul, and thereby become completely worthy of worship and claim a right to God's love. Details are: constantly have this awareness in your life: I am a worthy of worship soul seated in the temple of this body. Such worthy of worship souls are loved by all. Even their non-living images are loved by all. Even though people may fight among themselves, they would have love for the idols, because those idols have purity in them. So, ask yourself, have my mind and intellect become completely clean and pure? There isn't the slightest uncleanliness mixed in them, is there? Those who are completely pure in this way have a right to God's love. Slogan is: inculcate the treasures of knowledge into yourself and perform every act at every moment with understanding, for only then would you be a knowledgeable soul. Om Shanti.